At Lipah beach. Decided to a little bit change location. Usually we're going to Amed beach because it's closest for us, because we're living in that area. So today we decided to come to the Amed beach. No, today we decided to come to the Lipah beach just to check out what's going on here, how people chilling here, what they are busy with, and some little bit different view for you as well. As you probably remember from our video about Amed beaches, so this is one of the beaches where is a sand. It's not really white, but it's still a sand. That's why people kind of love it more than other beaches, because other beaches is with the small stones. Well, this one is with black white sand. Hello. Hi. What happened to you? Selamat sore, apa kabar? Baru? Ah, no. People actually freaking out. They trying to catch any opportunity to do something and get some money. So since we are here on a beach, we've been offered like 3 boat trips, massage, coconut, snorkeling, whatever possible.
In 5 minutes?
In 5 minutes, yeah. We spent here only 5 minutes, and that's what we got already. And this is the color of this part of the beach, completely black. So there's no color correction at all, so it's just black. So this one is the widest part of the beach. And so then you can see also some yellowish white sand as well. And in this area there is no boats at all. Why? Because if you look at the reef, of course it's a low tide at the moment, but there are stones out here, so you cannot come with a boat in here, just because you will stuck on a reef or you will destroy some corals. At the same time, also when you go out for snorkeling, you have to be careful because it's really shallow. There's always some small channels going out where you can swim out, otherwise you will just scratch your belly on a reef. And this one is the end of the Lipah beach. So next is a Bunutan. It's still called Bunutan. We call it Bunutan dive site, but that's where the Lipah beach ends. So yesterday's episode where I was talking about the French Polynesia reminded some good memories about how we started the diving and why we started the diving. In one tourism fair, I got a underwater journal. It was like about the diving, about diving trips, diving equipment. And I just dropped into the shelf and I never touched it for approximately 3-4 months. And then I found this journal. And that gave me the first idea that I would like to try diving. And then we went to the Egypt. What was your first reaction of it when you get to know, okay, Martin again wants to do something?
No, I was ready for that because I thought, oh, something interesting, we should try it.
Yeah.
But But in the beginning we got the very boring book. Now all books very nice with the photos and very interesting books. But that one was really old book and
It was shame actually.
without any photos, almost any photos, and it was so boring.
I think the dive center we did our course, it was like a kind of smuggling and not trying to save the money on the PADI materials, because the rule is that every student should have own materials, but it was a copy of some old PADI book, right?
Yeah.
Oh, just look at that. So one boat is coming really close to the beach, catching up the wind. So the thing was that the first day when we arrived in Egypt, we went out on the pontoon and we fell asleep. We really fell asleep and we just burned down. And what was interesting is actually we burned down only one side. The one side was completely white and the other one was completely red. We were like, I don't know, you know the clones, they have this outfit, one side one color, another one, so we looked the same. We were like clowns. When was the moment when you understood that you love diving?
When was first open water dive, because while we did all exercises in the pool, it wasn't so interesting. Actually, I don't remember what we did in the pool.
I remember just because I remember a couple of moments. I remember I was towing you. We did a tie a diver tow into the pool. Remember? That moment I remember.
Maybe because we have photo.
That we have a photo as well, but I really remember that moment.
Yeah, but actually I really enjoyed diving when we did first open water dive. I thought, oh my gosh, it's so cool. Because I remember when we did the confined water, Martin asked, how is it? Because it was his idea to do course. And I said, we will see when we will go in the sea. Just do first open water dive. And after first open water dive, I said, definitely, super cool, super good, and I want diving.
Another thing I remember, I wasn't able to equalize at all. I remember you two guys were on 18-meter dive during the dive number 4, and I was like hanging at 9 meters. It wasn't able completely equalize, and I thought it will be a big problem for me at all. I will not be able to dive at all, and I was so frustrated because the whole idea came from me to dive, and now I wasn't able to dive at all. I was like, yeah. So that's our memories from our open water dive. And then that was probably the moment when that was a combination of everything. The place, the instructor. So yeah, that made us to fall in love. Probably if I would do it back home in some cold and dark quarry, probably that spark will not happen that soon. But we really fell in love. We were just, okay, what's next? Yeah, so that's why same year we went to Malta to do our advanced course as well. But Malta, and there's a lot of stories from Malta.
Yeah, but before when we started to do advanced course, we did underwater navigation in our Baltic
that was
Sea.
before. In the Baltic Sea we did part of the advanced course.
It was horrible.
It was horrible.
Water was super cold. I got a wetsuit with many holes.
The one was just between the legs.
Yeah.
Oh, that was like...
I was able to pee directly in the ocean. So, and it was bad visibility. It was really cold and nothing to really see. It was just sandy
bottom.
And we did underwater navigation.
So that's our memories. Tell us your story. And you don't like writing. Just tell us this story on a video. 1 minute video about how you started diving, and just post it on my timeline in a Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. That's where we post our content daily. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow again. And trying to buy fish. Buckets are empty, yeah. Paddling. Because its wind is just going through the sail. I'm still helping him. But yeah. Huge hole in a sail. Another guy wants. Ikan? Beautiful parrots.
But there is like a citrus, some smell like a little bit citrus.
So we just came to have some pizza here because it's the best pizza in Amed. We are at Blue Earth, by the way.